Ecohomme's premium beard oil, a sophisticated blend of natural ingredients designed to transform your grooming routine into a luxurious experience. Crafted with the purest botanicals, our beard oil harnesses the power of nature to nourish not just your beard but also your skin, promoting healthier growth and a revitalized appearance. Enriched with a harmonious fusion of cedarwood and lavender, our clean-scented formula offers a refreshing aroma that captivates the senses. Embrace the invigorating essence that lingers throughout the day, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and confident. Beyond mere grooming, our beard oil is a holistic solution. It penetrates deep to condition your beard, leaving it irresistibly soft and manageable. Moreover, it nurtures the underlying skin, alleviating dryness and itchiness, while stimulating beard growth for a fuller, more robust look. Indulge in the goodness of nature's bounty and unlock the secret to a well-nourished beard and revitalized skin. Ecohomme Beard Oil, where nature meets sophistication, giving you the confidence to conquer every day with style and grace. Elevate your grooming ritual and embrace the transformation, naturally. Order now.